Welcome back to the channel, my friend. Before we start, take a breath and remind yourself why you're here. You want growth, clarity, discipline, and real transformation. Today's message is for anyone who's exhausted from being judged, doubted, misunderstood, or constantly pulled down by the world's opinions. The more visible your life becomes, the more people feel entitled to pull you back. That's why disappearing for a while is not weakness, it's strategy, it's protection, it's focus. And if you're ready to walk the silent path of personal evolution, stay till the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful, algorithm friendly motivation. There's something almost magical about choosing to work on yourself away from the noise. When you stop explaining your goals, stop proving your progress, and stop inviting unnecessary eyes into your journey, you discover a new kind of freedom. Private growth hits differently. It's quieter, deeper, and far more honest. You start observing your thoughts before speaking, you start caring more about your own standards than the world's expectations, and you learn to protect your plans like their treasure. Silence becomes a shield. Privacy becomes power. And the less you reveal, the further you rise. But disappearing isn't just about hiding, it's about rebuilding. In the shadows, you're free to set bigger goals, redesign your habits, and train like your future depends on it. You learn to keep your ambitions close, your progress invisible, and your battles private. There will be days when you're tired, frustrated, or mentally drained, but you face it alone, not because you're isolated, but because you're committed. Those lonely hours shape discipline. Those quiet failures sharpen your willpower. And every moment of struggle becomes the fuel that pushes you to the next level. To transform silently, you must restructure your life around the outcomes you want. Choose your target with clarity, fitness, wealth, skills, mindset, discipline, and allow your entire routine to orbit around it. Plan your hours. Track your growth. Study, train, sacrifice, rebuild. When you stop seeking applause and start seeking improvement, everything shifts. You discover that happiness comes from progress, not from validation. The shadows slowly become a sanctuary, a place where you enjoy the grind, appreciate the pain, and fall in love with who you're becoming. And the funny thing is, when you finally emerge stronger, sharper, and almost unrecognizable, the world will be shocked. But you won't care, because the journey taught you something priceless. The only approval that matters is your own. You'll find peace in your privacy, strength in your discipline, and pride in your transformation. If this message connected with you, comment "I'm ready for my silent transformation" below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content designed to push you towards the life you're destined to